This video is an introduction to the word polygon. A polygon is another word for shape. That sounds quite simple. There's more to it, I think. It's not just any shape that can be called a polygon. Let's have a look at some shapes that can be called polygons. There's a few here. Right. More than I thought. All these shapes are types of polygons. Well, they've got various things in common. A bit difficult to decide what makes them polygons though, unless I see some non-polygons. Okay, these shapes are not polygons. I don't think it's to do with the colour blue and pink. I don't think polygons are just blue shapes, and I don't think non-polygons are just the pink shapes. There's got to be more to it than that. Well, looking at the properties of these blue shapes, these polygons, I can see that all of them are flat shapes. They're 2D shapes, two-dimensional. Whereas over here, in the non-polygon box, we've got a cube, which is three-dimensional, and a cuboid, which is also three-dimensional. In fact, all three-dimensional shapes, spheres, cones, pyramids, cylinders, prisms, they are all not going to be polygons because they're not flat. A polygon has to be a flat two-dimensional shape. Okay, that's one thing. What else? Well, I can see that all of these shapes can be drawn with a ruler. That's because they've all got straight sides. Whereas this ellipse and this very strange looking shape, which has a curve over here, have curved sides, which means they can't be drawn with a ruler, which means they're not polygons. Polygons have to have straight sides. Right. What's the other thing? Well, the third thing that makes a polygon is that it's a closed shape. So all of these shapes are completely closed, aren't they? They're trapping the blueness inside. Whereas there's a shape here which is really just a bunch of lines. It's not really a complete shape yet. It's not closed, it's open. So it's not a polygon. A polygon has to be closed. So, if I could summarize, I would say then that a polygon is a 2D shape, it has straight sides, and it's closed. Or if you want that in one easy to remember definition, then you would say that a polygon is a closed 2D shape with straight sides. If you're interested to know where the word polygon itself comes from, then I will quickly tell you. Poly means many in ancient Greek, and gons, well, that's shortened, but it comes from the ancient Greek word for angles. So it's a shape that has many angles. Okay, there's more to it than that. As you can see, it's a closed 2D shape with straight sides. We've got four-sided shapes, four-sided polygons, five-sided polygons, three-sided polygons. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, seven-sided, eight-sided. As long as it's a closed 2D shape with straight sides, then it's called a polygon. If you watch the next video, I'm going to show you how we go about naming them. From a 3D to a three-sided shape to a four-sided shape to a five-sided shape and so on. How do we give these polygons special names? Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.